Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are gonna talk about the recent pump on Bitcoin. We can see we pumped from 112,000 up to 118,000 almost, and now we are slowly retracing down a little bit. We are at around $114,700 right now. We can see Bitcoin trade is still nice in the profits. IMX trade down. Tower trade $977 down, so we might add some more to this position. Let's see. Cake also slightly down. Stellar Lumens also slightly down. Sui as well. Sol massively in the profits, guys. We can see it here. Very nice profits on Sol. I added a lot to this position recently, so I'm quite happy with that decision. Link trade also very nice profits. Uh, Doge also very good in profits. Vechain also, and we will talk more about Vechain. I think Vechain is up for a big run, so stay tuned until the end. Ethereum also 57k in profits now. Let's quickly take a look at Bitcoin here. If we can see some patterns in the chart, let's go over to the 4-hour list. And do we have here some type of double top? I think not. We definitely have a double bottom here, guys. So that would be a nice pattern right here. We can see we touched the zone 2 times. So this might indicate a nice support zone and also a reversal. So right now we also created a higher high here above the 114k. That's very nice. Now we're basically testing this support, so we are exactly on the support zone. So now we need a bounce for Bitcoin. I would like it for it to bounce above the 119,000 and then continue its way to higher price targets. Now let's go over here to Ethereum and talk about it as well, because Ethereum, guys, just created a new all-time high yesterday or today morning, and we can see here Ethereum was at 4,829 today in the morning, which is quite nicely. Let's see on the 1 hour if you can spot some trades. We can see here very nicely we create a new high here, and right now chart looks very good. We broke out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. We are back into the parabolic curve right here that we've been talking about it recently, and price target would be still the next 5.5k and then afterwards 6, 7, 8k. So I'm still very bullish on Ethereum. RSI also looks actually very good on the daily. Look at this. We are basically having a nice uptrend or the RSI, which is also positive. Right now, let's see, we were a little bit in the overbought zone just 2 weeks ago or 1 week ago, and we had a cool off phase. Ethereum dropped on almost 20%, 15%, let's say it. We dropped from 4,700 what was it, 780 down to 4,056. So quite a big drop. Let's quickly measure it out. Around 15% drop on Ethereum, but since that drop, we are basically already up around 20%, guys. So if you bought a dip with me, you are nicely in the profits right now. Now let's see what will happen in the next upcoming days. Now it's the weekend, so now I don't expect any major moves in the next 24 hours. I think the market will slowly consolidate. Now let's see what else we have here. I want to talk about Vechain, and Vechain just sitting at 2.5 cents, guys, and we were at 8 cents in December, guys. Let me quickly show it to you on the weekly chart right here. Let's zoom out a little bit. We can see here Vechain was at 8 cents in December, and the potential for it to go back there is very high if we're gonna see an altcoin season. For now, we had this double bottom formation here on Vechain. We created a new high here on the 4-hourly and I think also on the daily. So for now, looks quite good. I expect the next price move to be to the 3 cents area and afterwards on its way to the 8 cents. And guys, if you want to trade like you see me do here on the VX platform, down below in the description, you can find a link where you can get up to $30,000 in bonuses if you sign up and make a deposit. take advantage of the opportunity, start your trading career today, and share this video with your friends so they also take advantage of these opportunities. And now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you again next time.